就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
上南片盖风。
The Hakka singer Huang Zixuan has his own band. It's called Zixuan and Slow Train. And recently they released an album called 同趣关系. 同趣 literally means things that interest children because the band wanted to use their mother tongue and Hakka music and culture to take root in elementary schools and the community. Now this song you're hearing right now is called The Winds of 上南片. It is actually a metaphor how the winds are the whisperings of ancestors and a reminder for people to remember their roots and to be grateful for what they have. 听的这首歌呢，叫做《上南片的风》，是来自于黄子轩与三平怪在2017年创作专辑里同趣关系的一首歌。里面邀请了一些当地的小朋友组成了一个合唱团哦，希望呢就是把这些客家歌曲呢带到这个小朋友的生活当中了。而歌里面提到这个风呢，是在比喻祖先说的一些悄悄话，希望呢大家不要忘本，要饮水思源，常常回家看看家人。而听着这个充满家乡回忆的童谣，是不是感觉特别温馨呢？
上南片盖风，吹你了上南片风，夫妇双丝穷黑来，准风哈情呀哟，上南片盖风。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.